Well, good morning, everybody out in YouTube land. Buddy and Kiki greet you. Precious is in my shadow. She's busy looking for lizards. She's wearing her jacket because it's cold. Hi. So I have the solar panel that was up on the roof of the Ford Transit Connect. Got it hooked up to the Jackery, and it really charges the Jackeries very quickly. This one is a 100-watt rigid solar panel. My other one is 140 watts, and it's the flexible. But I've had it for 3 years, and I don't know how much longer it's going to be good. So it's been down in the 30s the last couple nights, and it's supposed to be in the 30s the whole week. So I have these bins and plastic tops that I've been putting over the plants at night, and so far so good. Peas are doing the best. The radishes are coming along. It's quite amazing that it rained for 2 nights and 2 days, but already I have to water these. So underneath each bin, I have a little bucket that catches the runoff. And look at that beautiful tea. Ooh, compost tea. So I'm using a little dipper to water the surround the little seedlings, because it's the top part that dries out really fast. Of course, it's getting warm during the day. It's probably in the 80s during the day, and the soil dries out really quickly. I hooked the little dipper on the end of this, I think it's a painting stick with some ponytail bands. Yeah, I know. Tools of primitive woman. I used to have a friend that told me I could fix anything with a barrette. And he called it the tools of primitive woman. But it works nicely because I can dip down into the compost tea and then spread it in here really gently for these little bitty plants. These are sweet alyssum. Well, the tools of primitive woman worked. They're not really tight, so I'm going to use string instead. So this is what I've got here. And I think it's going to be a little more secure for dipping. At nighttime, I use these milk jugs to cover the pea plants because they're a little bit bigger than everything else. Cute dog. What a beautiful day in Southern California. After the rain, air is so fresh and clean. Precious has been hunting all day, and she found what she was looking for. Yep, there's a lizard that keeps running up this wall and then over into these trees. And she is having a blast. Every now and then she will come out and pull a sticker out of her foot and then come back in here to chase the lizard. Isn't that amazing? So amazing, a blind dog. Using all her other senses. Well, that's it for today. Say goodbye, everybody. Say bye. Say bye. We'll see you again next time. Adios. We'll see you next time, everybody. Be sure and like, subscribe, leave a comment, ring the bell, and remember Jesus loves you. He's the exact image of the invisible God. The last thing he said to us when he left Earth was, I leave you whole and well. That about covers it. See you next time. Mwah. Adios.